What is up, everybody? This is Brandon, and today I have a special episode of a series that I started a long time ago, Rubik's Cube Stress Test. This time it's on a guhong. But yeah, so just a really old guhong. It's a pretty nice puzzle. But we're gonna see how it works. So yep, let's start off with let's just start off with the drops. I'm going to skip the water part because the only thing I realized is actually made it better. Because the dollar store cube that I used last time was dusty, so it actually just cleaned it out. But yeah, start off with the drops. I'm going to do 3 drops, so just dropping it. And the fourth time, I'm actually going to throw it at the ground. So I guess let's start off. First drop. Okay, let's take a look at what happened. Okay, so center caps came off. A couple center caps came off. The red and the blue came off. That's basically all that happened. I'm going to put these back on and then drop it again. Whoa. Let's put these 2 center caps back on. These sticker things, just don't mind those. On these logos, something else, that was a project I was working on. Anyway, second drop. Okay then, take a look how that ended up. That time just the white center cap came off. I'm going to skip the third drop. I'm just going to go straight to the red center cap came off too. Not really sure where it went. There it is. I'm going to skip the third drop. I'm just going to go straight to the throw, and then let's move on to the other stuff. Yep. So now I'm going to throw it against the ground, see what happens. Okay, that was pretty nice. Not the best, but... I can see the white, blue, and red center cap came off that time. Then in this dirt over here. Yeah, pretty much nothing changed, nothing. Doesn't look like anything broke. Put these center caps back on. I'm going to start off with something else. Instead of putting water in the cube, I'm going to put something else. So let's take a look at that. I'm still going to do the baseball bat at the end. But now that we did the drops, let's move on to the next thing. The next thing I'm going to do is maybe actually kind of weird, but I'm going to put logos in there. Yes, you heard me. Logos inside. So allow me to just grab some logos really quickly from behind me. Anyway, got some logos. Time to just drop them inside the puzzle. So take out a piece. The stuff in here is just something else I've been working on. It's an old cube, but yeah, so I'm just going to pop these logos inside. Wait, actually, I forgot how to compare the turning after I dropped it. So, turning, a lot worse, a lot more locky and blocky. It barely moves now. Yep, now let's put the logos inside and see how the cube will turn. When you phrase that, see the cube, if it'll still turn. These other two red things are from two Moyu V2 lubes that I got. I just took off the thing on it. Okay. Work these logos around the puzzle. Just gonna do a quick solve. And I'm messing up, okay. Okay, so that obviously did not help the puzzle whatsoever, it just made it worse. Even worse than it already is. Now on to the final segment, which everyone loves, baseball bat. So yeah, let's get on to that. That's this. Okay. This time I'm not actually gonna use, never mind. Here's the cube. Let's do this. Here's the bat, here's the cube. Final segment, here we go. Oh, that actually stayed together. Only a couple center caps flew off. Okay, let's try it again. Wow, it's still actually holding up. It is still actually holding up. This is actually a pretty high quality puzzle. We'll do it one more time. It's this time against the ground. Still, okay. It is not popping. Center caps flew off, but it is not popping. I'm just gonna straight up. That popped, that worked.